Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. Before we get started in introducing the chapter for this week, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of our veterans in the class. We have some folks who have served in the past, who are currently serving, and some who intend to serve in our military. So again, I extend a heartfelt thank you and also extend the deepest appreciation for what you guys do and have done for our country. All right, as we move on to Chapter 12, Preventing Infectious Diseases and Sexually Transmitted Infections, this is very timely. As we know, we're kind of right in the heart of cold and flu season right now, so it's very important that we understand the steps that can be taken to prevent the spread of any infectious diseases, including airborne diseases as well as sexually transmitted infections and foodborne diseases as well. And so this chapter really goes into talking about how these diseases impact our body. It's addressing some of the more prevalent or more common infectious diseases that are spread, and then ways that you can protect yourself from acquiring these diseases. Okay, pretty routine week for us. We've got our video, the PowerPoint, your MyLabs Plus, and the quiz. Guys, we only have about 3 chapters left and then the final exam, so we're flying on by, and we'll be at the end of the semester before you know it. Again, as always, I just want to remind you to take a good look at your checklist to make sure they're filled in green. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great week. Take care.